Om Namaha Shivaya. Here was an extremely very powerful puja conch from Indian Ocean. It is a normal puja conch from Indian Ocean. You can see extremely very powerful puja conch from Indian Ocean. Are very thick walls. See, normal conch have very thin wall, and it's also heavyweight. It's also super heavyweight. See, it's extremely very powerful puja conch from Indian Ocean. Very heavyweight and have very thick walls. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Like these conches are not easily available. See, this conch is even bigger, but this is 750 grams. This is just 350 grams. It is more double than the weight of this conch, and very extremely very powerful also in doing the pujas. Like these conches are very rarely found from Indian Ocean. Very thick and heavyweight, very powerful puja conch. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Extremely very thick, heavyweight, and extremely very powerful puja conch from Indian Ocean. Finest quality. And by having this conch with you makes your all pujas and prayers extremely very powerful. Extremely very powerful. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.